For today's lesson, we're going to wrap up our multiplying fractions lessons. You're going to turn to page 179 in your math journal. And today we're going to take a look at the shortcut for multiplying fractions. Number 1, in your own words, describe the method for multiplying fractions discovered in class. And this is what we discovered yesterday in yesterday's lesson. So if we are going to, I think it'd be better to answer some of these questions below first, and then we'll come back to number 1. So let's start with number 2. 1/2 times 3/6. If we're going to multiply that fraction, we can use the shortcut, the easy way to multiply the numerators first, 3, and then the denominators, 12. So the answer is 3/12. So now we can go back to number 1 and describe the method for multiplying fractions. So if we take a look at this, we have 1 times 3. We multiply the numerators first, and then we multiply the denominators. So to multiply the two fractions, we multiply the numerators like 1/2 times, we'll use this problem down here, 3/6. And if you multiply the two numerators, it would be 1 and 3, and the answer is 3. Then multiply the denominators. And so the two denominators are 2 and 6 equals 12. Number 8. So what I would like you to do is go through problems 3 through 7, and then after you're done, press pause right now and then do number 8. Choose one of the problems above. Draw an area model for the problem. Explain how it's shaded and how your answer is correct. So you can choose one of these and model it here. Press pause. I'm going to model 1/2 times 3/6. So 1/2 would be, if I drew this picture, one half times 3/6. So for this problem, I'm going to take a look at this square. And I'm going to first of all divide it by half. So this would be 1/2. And then I'm going to take a look at 3/6. So over here, I'm going to divide this by 6. I'm going to start by dividing it into thirds, and then taking the thirds and then dividing that into sixths. So over here, this will be 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, and 6/6. If you're not sure how to do this problem, I'd like you to write this in and do this with me. Press pause. Next, I'm going to shade in 1/2. So I'm going to take my pencil or colored pencil and then shade in 1/2 times 3/6. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, and then shade this in. I'll choose a different color, 3/6. I'm going to shade in this area right here. So just this area in this section is what my answer is going to be. So if this is my answer, it looks like 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 3. Out of how many total? If we do 2 times 6. We have 2 going across and 6, so 2 times 6 is 12. So my answer is 3/12. Explain how it shows that your answer is correct. If you did this work, that will be good enough. For problems 9 and 10, write a number model, then solve. Number 9, Sheila had 3/8 pound of blueberries. She used 1/3 of them in a fruit salad. How many pounds of blueberries did she use? So if she had 3/4, she used 1/3 of them. So we're going to write a number model as a multiplying fractions. So she had 1/3 times 3/4 equals how many pounds of blueberries did she use? We'll say P for pounds. So for this one, we're gonna just use a shortcut for sake of time. 1 times 3 is 3. So we're gonna multiply the numerators and then multiply the denominators. 3 times 4 is 12, and our answer is 3/12. I'd like you to finish this page, press pause, and then move to the next page.